Hi! In the previous video, we saw an example for the if-elif-else statement with an integer variable, and it was very easy to understand, right? So, in this video, we are going to see an example of an if-elif-else statement with the string variable. Remember, for string variables, we have to put the value in quotes. Now, shall we start? Okay, we are going to take an example where Python can recommend what to take with us depending upon the weather outside. So here in this example, we have many conditions to check. First condition is if the weather is cold, Python should ask us to take a jacket with us. The next condition is if the weather is cloudy, then it should recommend us to take a hat. And if the weather is rainy, then it should recommend us to cancel the picnic. And if all these conditions fail, Python should recommend us to enjoy the picnic, saying the weather is very nice. So, here in this example, we have 4 conditions and 4 actions. That means we cannot write only if and else. We will also have to use elif. In the last video, for 3 conditions, we used one if, one elif, and one else. So, what do we do for 4 conditions? We can use only one if and only one else. But we can add as many elif as we want. So, here we will add 2 elifs. Now, let us go to Python and write the code. Let us create a string variable weather and give the value sunny to it. Weather is equal to open quotes and close quotes. Inside the quotes, write sunny. Because sunny is a string variable, always remember to put it inside quotes. Now, let us start writing our blocks with conditions and the actions. So, we write the if condition first. If space weather is equal to open quotes, close quotes. Inside the quotes, write cold, colon. Again, because cold is a string value, we have to put it inside quotes. Now press enter and write the action which is to print take a jacket. So, we write print, open bracket, close bracket. Inside the bracket, write open quotes, close quotes. And inside the quotes, write take a jacket. Now, we have our second condition and we already wrote one if. Let us write this condition with an elif. So, press enter and delete the tab space and write elif space weather is equal to open quotes, close quotes. Inside the quotes, write cloudy, colon. Now, press enter and write the action to print take a hat. So, we write print, open bracket, close bracket, open quotes, close quotes, and inside the quotes, write take a hat. So, we have written 2 conditions. Let us write our third condition now with an elif again to check for rainy. So, press enter and delete the tab space and write elif space weather is equal to open quotes, close quotes. Inside the quotes, write rainy, colon. Now, press enter and write the action to print cancel the picnic. So, we write print, open bracket, close bracket, open the quotes and close quotes inside the bracket, and inside the quotes, write cancel the picnic. Here comes our 4th condition. So, if all the above condition fails, then this action has to be printed. So, we put it in the else condition. Press enter and delete the tab space and write else, colon. Now, let us write our action to print enjoy your picnic. So, we press enter and write print, open bracket, close bracket, inside the bracket, open quotes and close quotes, and now inside the quotes, write enjoy your picnic. Now, let us save the file and run the code. The output is printed as enjoy your picnic because the weather is sunny. When Python checks for every if and elif condition and it fails, it finally reaches to the else condition and prints as enjoy your picnic. So, I hope you understand now how to use string variables in the if-elif-else statement. And we also saw an example about it. See you all in another interesting video. Bye bye.